happening? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something interesting from Taiwan. This is, what's the brand name? It is Teishi. Teishi Old Wine Instant Noodles. Yes, there's booze in these, so I think you'll probably find that fascinating. But it's actually starting, it seems like, to become more and more common in Taiwanese varieties. I've had quite a few Taiwanese instant noodles that have alcohol sachets with them. And honestly, I think, oh, that's like some kind of weird gimmick, isn't it? No, it's actually really good. It adds a lot of nice flavors. So, let's see. Okay, and these are indeed fried. Oh no, these are fried. So, drop that on, and we're gonna do 4 minutes. Bazinga. So what's going on? Yeah, same day for me as yesterday, but you have a new day. And yeah, I feel like my back and my knees are just like, oh dude, what did you do to us? It's like 27,000 steps in just like straight. So that's pretty good, even for a challenge Thursday. I think the most I've ever done in one day was 40,000. I mean, I could totally, that's just like a couple hours of walking around, really, at this point. But I'm good. I want to be able to walk after now. That's the thing I've found with all this walking and exercise. It's like, you gotta, if you overdo it, then you won't be able to do it later, and then that really frickin' sucks if you're trying to keep a routine going. So yeah. Don't get me wrong, I never was one of those like exercise, like, you know, I like lose my crap if I don't exercise. I'm like, but yeah, I never used to be that way or this way or whatever way I am. But I still vape because vaping is fun. That's how I feel about it. And what really grinds my gears is that San Francisco is going to ban vaping. I don't know, I don't profess to know all the details about it. But those are the headlines. San Francisco bans vaping. Everybody gets mad. Who knows? But it's like, if you're going to do that, then why in God's name wouldn't you ban smoking? Are you freaking stupid? I think they're freaking stupid. Be like, dude, ban smoking and then ban vaping, you know? There's no tar in the vape. There is, people are like, you're smoking a vape. It's like, no. The smoke is caused when a chemical reaction happens when you light something on fire. Nothing here gets lit on fire, folks. Stupid. But anyways, that's really been bugging me lately, so I had to say something. But, these come from Taiwan, and a company wanted to know how to get me some samples, and they talked to people, and the company that makes these, they knew how, and they asked if they could send me samples of their stuff along with theirs or something, I think. Which, you know, hey, twofer, sweet. So The first two that I had both got 5 stars. So this is another brand, and we'll see how they do. Oh wow, is it like almost 2 o'clock? I gotta get my kid in like 20 minutes. Come on, Noodles, cook, cook! Got 28 seconds left. Okay. This is interesting looking. I don't know how this is gonna be. Hopefully good. Because good things are good. Bad things, well... They go on the bottom 10 list, but at this point is out. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be out on Monday. This time zone period thing. Okay, so now we're gonna add in all the good stuff. Here's what we got here. So let's do the powder first. And for the guy, oh, here, it'll go like this. Some guy was like, never cut towards yourself with scissors. There could be a kid who watches your video and is trying to emulate you in the exact manner you do things, and they could cut themselves. Like, I should be so lucky to have such devoted fans that are like, look, watch the Noodle Master as he cuts things towards himself. Please. If you cut yourself, that's on you. Okay? I'm not there telling you how to use your scissors. But hey, don't cut yourself. Have I cut myself? Yes. Have I enjoyed it? No. Will I do it again? Oh, probably. Ooh. Whoa, this has an interesting olfactory happening. And here's the booze. Whew. That's boozy. It's like cooking booze. Wow, this has like very much like a spicy, not spicy, but spiced. Lots of, wow. Let's give this a go. Here's the noodle. I like that noodle. Yes, I do. Yes, yeah. Here's the broth. That's freaking good. The ramen rater is impressed with this noodle. Chin chin. There we go. Let's see what you see. Okay. It mentioned pork. So, since it mentioned pork, let's add some pork. Mentioned adding pork, that is. showed a fried egg on the package, but like I said, I've got some serious time constraints going on. So I apologize. Little of that. Why not some sesame? Like that. And all right, let's get it on. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, and this, man, what a nice day of noodles. Yeah, good stuff. Alright, have a good one. Bye!